I love being here because I love being with women from different walks of life. And I also love being with empathetic men, who understand the space that women come from and the challenges they face. So I think the energy in this place is very good. And I think it's being conducted also very well organized. And I'm really happy to be part of this. Like it's often said, women own half the sky, right? So rightfully, our place is half in this world, in everything. Whether it be in industry, in business, in creative arts, in whichever field you're talking about. And we don't get that space. So a lot of women have had to struggle to find that space for themselves and to make themselves, visible, to make themselves understandable and to play and to get a level playing field in a man's world. In our culture, patriarchy is very, 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 deep rooted, and so is misogyny. And so it's very often that you find someone saying, like the panelists were discussing, that a woman is very pushy or a woman is very ambitious if she tries to do something for herself in her career. But the fact of the matter is that the same words are not used for men. And that is because language is more sensitive to men and language is very, very insensitive to women. So we have to understand the power of language, the power of words, the power of how you are communicating. And that will take a long time, I think, in our society because a lot of jokes are on women, a lot of cuss words are on women. And again, like I said, everyone's a judge where a woman is concerned, and everyone's an advocate for themselves when they are concerned. So all these things have to change in our society. And there are many, many, very accomplished women, very inspiring women who have done a lot to, bring about this changed perceptions. And then also, I think I give credit to all these women, who do not even understand their strength, who don't know what feminism is all about, who do not know what the, outward expression of feminism is, but yet they are able to fend for themselves, they are able to fend for their families, they're able to, articulate, very powerfully on issues, and they hold leadership kind of positions in their households or outside, in the workspaces.